So here we have the low lift transmission jack from Garvee, and this is how everything comes in the box. So when you get it, situated and pulled out, instruction manual, warranty information, and you have this little box here. So how it looks is we have to attach the wheels, but that's really the only assembly that I see so far. Let's go and get this open, get my little box opener out. Yep, so just as I expected, it's only the wheels that we have to assemble. So all four of the caster wheels come here in the box. So I'll go ahead and get these installed, and we'll come back and go over the features. So we have 3 of the 4 wheels already installed. Just want to show you how easy it is to get this set up. So you just have this 19mm nut on here, washer, locking washer. Put it in, put your washers down, flat washer first, locking washer after. I am going ahead and just use a quick impact. Done. Now, going over some of the features on this, like I said, this is really nice and really well made. You have your 4 locking wheels, so you can lock all the wheels. They all swivel, so it's very easy to get this underneath the car and get it set in place. Then you can lock it in place from when you're actually doing your transmission lift. The lift itself, it's a low profile lift, so it starts at 7 inches and it goes all the way up to 23 inches. So that's going to be your lift range, 7 to 23. It has this strap here that's 2 meters. It's a high strength strap, so that once you get your transmission on there, all you have to do is loop it across, run through the ratcheting system, ratchet it down to secure everything in place. The lift itself could support up to 450 pounds, so more than enough for your transmissions. And then the other side of it is the actual mechanism, the screw mechanism on which you lower and raise this with, takes a 1/2 inch drive. So you could put a ratchet in there, a bar. In this case, we just have on one of our impacts. Just put that in there. For quick lifting and lowering if needed. Like I said, very well made, very sturdy, and gives you a lot of the flexibility you need to get your transmission out your car.